Hi guys, it's me, G-Man. I'll be bringing you a series on how to build a guitar. In today's video, we'll be building one of these. Today's video is going to be on putting a slot inside the guitar neck for a truss rod, so that this truss rod can fit inside that slot without rattling around. Always remember to look at the manufacturer's specs so you can get the right bit size and the right depth that it takes to install this. So, stick around while I do what I do. Thank you.